30 million people in Europe are affected by asthma, according to the European Federation of Allergy and Airway Diseases Patients Association. Laura Davies is one of those living with the chronic disease.
When I get it, I get sort of an itching, a really weird, like it itches but like on the inside of your throat, and it goes down to my chest. So one thing is your throat obviously closes up because of the swelling. But it sort of itches as well, so it's really weird it feels almost like you're having an allergy attack, but combined with the fact that you can't breathe. One time I ran out of my inhaler, so I didn't have it, and it was weekend, so I couldn't get one. And it was, winter outside, and it was cold, and the candles affect you, like the smoke makes it even worse. And it was Christmas, so when you had to go to bed at night, I didn't sleep at all that night because lying down made it worse. So your throat just closed up to such a point that it's like it's wheezing, like I'm freaking my family out because I'm like in the corner. I mean, it sounds like you're dying basically. So I mean, sitting up is probably easier because you get the airflow is easier. But that's sort of one of the times. So it's actually then it gets quite scary when you can't stop it, and you're gonna have to like wait it out.
Jakob Boonlege, assistant professor in the Department of Public Health at Aarhus University, says that air pollution impacts public health in different ways.
We usually distinguish between short-term effects that arise if you're exposed on a day with a lot of air pollution, where there will be increased risks of, if you have a cardiac disease already, there will be increased risk of maybe having a cardiac attack on that particular day, or if you have the disease asthma already, there's an increased risk of having an asthma attack. And then the chronic effects, the long-term effects, and air pollution and the levels that exist in Denmark can actually have long-term effects, increase the risk of lung cancer, of chronic bronchitis, of cardiovascular disease, and other diseases as well.